For reasons mentioned in the judgment, this criminal petition is hereby allowed. And the investigating officer of Soigaon PS case number 235/23 is hereby directed to give the Jimma of seized rights to the petitioner on furnishing a bond, indemnity bond of rupees 10 lakhs and with certain conditions.
And highly order the May it please, your lordship. Sir, may I pray for listing of a criminal petition matter, madam? Your lordship actually initially heard it regarding attachment of land under Capital Preservation Act. Last listed on 18/1/2024.
No, listing you have to make prayer before registry because I am not taking criminal roster now. Only when registry lists the cases I am taking.
Highly order.
May I please, your lordship, I beg to mention item number 7.
Yes. What is your prayer?
Lordship, kindly pass over the matter for the day, lordship.
Why?
Yes, lordship.
Why?
Lordship, senior is not well.
Okay. Who is your senior?
R. Sarma, lordship.
What is your name?
M. Pal, lordship.
Have you informed the petitioner side?
Yes, lordship.
Heard Miss M. Pal, learned counsel for the respondent, who submits that as her senior, Mr. R. Sharma is having some personal difficulty, this matter may be adjourned for the day. She has also submitted that she has informed the learned counsel for the petitioner. Considering the submissions made by learned counsel, the prayer is allowed. Let this matter be listed after a week.
Sweet.
After some time. You said nothing. Is there
CD not received, lordship.
none
Up to
appears,
date case diary was called for, lordship. We have not received.
none appears for the petitioner on call. Heard Miss A. Begum, learned additional public prosecutor, who submits that though the case diary was called for, however, same has not been received. She also prays for some more time for producing the case diary. Prayer is allowed. Let this matter be listed after
2 weeks.
2 weeks. The interim order shall continue till next date. Case diary is there.
Case diary is there, lordship.
This motion. Lordship, this matter, learned counsel, Mr. A.R. Bhuiya is out of station, lordship, for some medical emergency, lordship. So lordship may take up the matter after 2 weeks, lordship.
No, have you appeared before the IO after interim bail?
Lordship.
Whether he has appeared,
Lordship,
because he got bail in the month of
lordship.
January. What is the matter?
Lordship, this is a anticipatory bail. I mean, lordship, the allegation is that the petitioner has taken the loan amount impersonating some other person's, lordship. So lordship, second,
Lordship, in this case, lordship, the last date of entry is 14/10/2023. So he has appeared or not, we cannot say, so we'll return the CD and call for up-to-date CD, Lordship. Then it will be clear. Lordship.
10/23, but the bail, interim bail was granted on 15/9/2023.
Lordship, 18.
15/9.
Oh, then Lordship, the CD is of, P9,
Okay, okay.
14/10/2023,
Third,
Lordship.
Mr. What's your name?
N.A. Majar Bhuiya, Lordship.
N.M. Majar Bhuiya, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Miss A. Begum, learned additional public prosecutor, who submits that though the case diary is available, however, same is not up to date, and prays for some time for producing an updated case diary. The prayer is allowed. How much time you?
Lordship on CD on then Lordship, as he is on interim, 3rd of June, Lordship.
Let this matter be listed again on 3rd of June for an update, for updated case diary. The interim order shall continue, interim order shall continue till next date.
Highly obliged. Grateful, Lordship.
It is there.
No, CD is not received, Lordship. And CD was there perhaps in the other court, but today we don't have the CD, Lordship. He is on interim, Lordship.
None appears for the petitioner on call. Learned, heard Miss A. Begum, learned additional public prosecutor, who submits that the case diary is not available and prays for some time for producing the same. The prayer is allowed. Let this case be listed
5th of June, Lordship.
again on 5th of June. The interim order shall continue till next day.
Lordship, in this case, Lordship, succeed file, Lordship. Sursit number,
Now, whether he has appeared or not,
Lordship, that I don't know what Sursit is there, Lordship. Only. On my first, Lordship.
what is to be done?
That may be fixed, Lordship. As nobody is there, Lord.
None appears for the petitioner on call. Hence, let this case be listed after a week.
After a week. The
The
interim is there, Lord.
interim order shall continue till next day.
Interim bail was granted, Lordship, and I have appeared before the ILO.
You have appeared.
My statement has been recorded. FIR at page 12, this is contradictory FIR, Lordship. Yes, sir.
147. Okay. Whether they
FIR,
have
Lordship, will
appeared,
find at page 12.
yes, Mr. Goswami,
No,
have they appeared?
yes, they have appeared, my lord.
Statement
Yeah.
recorded.
Statement recorded, my lord. Just I am perusing, my lord. What happened, my lord? They, some other sets of councils are there. Just now, my lord, I had to come, my lord. So I am just perusing the CD, my lord. They have appeared. That is there, my lord. And one of the accused, Raju Burman. Raju Burman, কোন আছিল?
It is bail accused,
বেল দিলে
Kulal Burman.
Raju Burman.
This is purely civil in
Heard
nature.
Mr. R. Dhar, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. M.P. Goswami,
Yeah.
learned additional public prosecutor. Learned counsel for the petitioner has submitted that by order dated 18/3/2024, the petitioner namely
Sharma Ram.
Sharma Ramsiari, was allowed to go on interim bail by this court. And in pursuant to the directions of this court, the petitioner has appeared before the investigating officer of Simla PS case number 13/2024 and has cooperated with the investigation, cooperated in the investigation. Stop. Learned additional public prosecutor has produced the case diary of Simla PS case number 13/2024 and has submitted that the petitioner has appeared before the investigating officer and his statement under section 161 of Code of Criminal Procedure, 1973 has also been recorded. Stop. In view of the fact that the petitioner has complied with the directions of this court and has cooperated in the investigation, the interim bail granted to the petitioner by order dated 18/3/2024 is hereby made absolute. And this anticipatory bail application is thereby disposed of.
Deep level.
Item number one. One, what is to be done in item number one? Is whether,
Lordship, but date may be fixed, Lordship, because according to the cause list, Lordship, they have thought that after rising of the DB, Lordship, it is their Lordship. So
no,
that,
no, in cause date, it is before DB, where it is mentioned.
No,
so,
no. As this bench.
oh. This bench will sit after rising of division bench to supply, no, nobody have seen, I hope.
Because this bench has to sit before DB.
Before DB, I don't know, then Lordship, a date may be fixed, Lordship.
None appears for petitioner on call. Let this matter be listed again on Monday,
Lordship,
on Mondays. On
20, Lordship.
25/2024.
Hearing,
Six is hearing, na?
hearing.
Into the next half after rising of the DB, jodi aaye.
Hmm. What to do?
We'll inform.
Can I get it from? Minute?
No, no, Telugu.
Oh,
Now let us see whether they come out.
Lordship,
If they don't come,
Lordship,
this case will be adjourned.
Lordship.
If they come and inform you, I'll again come.
Lordship, that is fine, Lord, that is fine. If somebody will come, Lordship. Look down.
Because
That is one,
if we can hear at least one of the matters,
Lordship,
I'm there in my chamber. If
No,
anybody
Lordship.
comes,
and we will inform you, Lordship,
otherwise we will adjourn.
Lordship, Lordship.